Hello YouTubes! Welcome back, Haunt Fam. So this box is our long-awaited return from Midnight Studios Effects. The big hole in the box is courtesy of FedEx because they kicked the shit out of everything they delivered to me. I swear to God, they're nothing but dicks. Baby, Google, can you say FedEx are dicks on the internet? Well, they are. I just said it. You're a bunch of dicks, FedEx. You guys never failed to disappoint. Kick the crap out of everything I have, and you constantly leave big holes in the boxes. Like you guys practice field goals on this stuff for karate or something. I don't know what the hell you do. Let's unbox this damn thing. Okay, Haunt Fam, so this journey begins about a year ago. Brother Vic from Monster Misfits went up to Transworld at 2021. He was at Midnight Studios FX's booth. He was sending me back all kinds of beautiful pictures and stuff. I'm like, ooh, Cobwebs gotta have this, Cobwebs gotta have that. So about 2 weeks after Transworld, I called in and placed an order with them. They said it'd be about 3 to 4 months. About 7 months later it came. It was closer to Halloween, which I didn't care. I had this stuff before Halloween, and then I unboxed it, and you guys saw that disaster. I will link that video below and pin it in the comments, whatever, so you can watch it and see the original unboxing. So this is the makeup order. I did go ahead and spend $98 at the United States Post Office sending that stuff back because they're as big as criminals as frickin' FedEx. And it's been a couple of months since I heard anything. So I sent the order off. I didn't hear anything back. Said, hey, you know, did you guys get the order I sent in? And then finally in, I think, it was like early February, I get a call from the owner of, Kyle from the owner of Midnight Studios Effects. He's like, hey man, I'm finishing up your stuff. You know, they said they would remake everything, and to their credit, they did. I talked to Kyle, which is great, had a personal phone call, and I always love when an owner or something picks up the phone and says, hey, this is what's going on. So, you know, last year was a COVID year. I get it. They went from 8 employees to 3 employees. They said because quality just happened to get away. Oh, okay, cool. We got a Midnight Studios little pamphlet here, so that's pretty cool. Quality got away from us. Sorry about it. I get it. No big deal. You know, it was right in COVID times. You know, things are up and down. And they even said, hey, man, we're not even going to Transworld this year. We're trying to just concentrate on our orders and resculpt stuff and bang out some new sculpts. And we're just going to take the knee and pass it on Transworld. So I thought, man, that's like some serious dedication because Transworld is the biggest holiday of the year for any Halloween company. So I thought that was super dedicated of them. So thank you, Kyle, man. Fist bump to you, brother. That's awesome. They just wanted to concentrate on their quality. And their stuff is beautiful, guys. Just my order had issues, man. And I've never told anybody not to shop there. Pete Marrero, he left me a comment, and he said, hey, man, there's a couple of things I want. I said, just call up and contact him, man, and say, hey, you want this, this, and this? You don't want any issues with it? And they took care of him. He was great. Kyle was also great. He informed me. He's like, hey, I'm going to send you some pictures in a little bit. I'm finishing up some stuff. Pics came along. He said, you like everything? Everything looked great on the picture. So hopefully we have no issues with this stuff. And I can see the viperfish right there. God, I'm dying to get my hands on that viperfish. So this is the return order. So let's crack into this thing and see how Midnight Studios Effects did for us. So first and foremost, I'm going to grab the viperfish. Or no, this is the prehistoric fish. This is the one that was riddled with all the holes. Kyle was saying that they use a foam. They're in Arizona, and the foam kicks so damn fast, and I've had personal effects with foam that, man, I just don't like some of this rigid foam stuff. Or not rigid foam, but the flex foam stuff. It just kicks too damn fast while you're mixing it, and they're in high heat in the desert, so it kicks even faster for them. So, man, look at this bad boy. Make sure I don't tear any of the spines off. Oh, yeah. Now, this is exactly just like the one Vic brought out and showed me pics of Transworld. No holes in it. It's nice and clean, both sides. Got a little wire in there. We can bend them up. But yeah, look at the little prehistoric fish, man, the piranha. Now, this is the fish that, man, it's beautiful. There's no holes in it. He's nice and solid. So they must have had a good foam job this time. And I know there was a big foam incident. Lost a lot of foam. Me, I use a lot of resin, so we lost a lot of resins because of the freeze in Texas. But man, this thing is freaking awesome, man. It's beautiful, no issues, it's nice and clean. The eyes are glossy. Look at the mouth on that guy, man. I mean, Kyle, man, thumbs up, brother. This is just as beautiful as the fish Vic held up at Transworld, so I am thrilled, man. That guy is awesome. That is going to be a mean hanger on the wall for my swamp witch. And eventually I'm going to build a swamp shack and put this guy in there. So, man, the piranha fish, freaking awesome, man. Man, he's awesome. So I am happy out of the gate already. This seems like it's going to be a fabulous unboxing. Okay, so there's our bag. What is this one? Okay, we'll save the werewolf for the last. Viperfish is on top. So the viperfish that I unboxed was actually very nice. It was beautifully painted, had lots of colors in it, but it was cut for as like a with holes in the chin and stuff as like a mask. And I didn't want that. I wanted more of a display because it's a beautiful piece. They do a lot of beautiful paint on it. So I thought, man, let's just send this one back. I want an uncut display, and that was just, you know, got lost in the translation, whatever. I didn't want the mask cut. But look at the viperfish, man. He's beautiful. Look at all the colors in there and the airbrushing. He's got some slobber hanging down. I mean, just look at that guy, man. How freaking awesome is that? He's heavy. He's foam filled. I think we're going to do a custom base for this guy later. I think that would be awesome. Something that shines some LED lights up on him or something like that. But man, it's just beautiful. Like, their paint is just amazing. I mean, look at all them colors in that thing. And there's no holes in it. He's foam filled just like I wanted because I'm going to make him a display. And maybe I'll use him later on, scare the kids with or something like that. But man, the viperfish, home run. It's beautiful. He's awesome, man. I love him, Kyle. Amazing. That guy's going to be awesome. He deserves a nice custom display base. So I'll put him here. Put the knife down. I'm just loving the fish, man. It's hard for me to pass on a fish, man. I love Creature of the Black Lagoon so much. Okay, FedEx, thank you. Okay, here's our witch. So we got the witch back. And the problem with the witch was that she had holes in her chin with the latex. Didn't skin the whole mold. And then they foam fill it. And you can see the foam through the holes in the latex. But man, look at this gnarly old girl. Woo, baby. Look at that. So man, she's solid. She looks good. I don't see any holes. Man, did he do like acrylic teeth in these? Oh man, he sure did. He punched some acrylic teeth in there. Oh wow, man. Extra nice little touch. Check her out, man. Look at the hook nose on that crone. Man, the lifelike eyes. One of them kind of like cataracts. This one's cataracts. But yeah, this is really clean, man. I mean, she's beautiful. I mean, like I said, they do beautiful work. Of course, I get it in COVID times. There's shortages. There's employee problems. But man, they came through big time. You know, Kyle said, hey, I'll remake everything. Just send it back. I'll remake it. And I had to give them that chance to honor that because, man, you know, with the times we're going through, I think everybody needs a little bit of understanding. And, man, it just paid off in spades. Check her out, man. Man, is she hideous. I've got to build a body for this old girl. So, man, the witch is beautiful too. And we're down to our werewolf. Let me move this down and I'll get the werewolf out. Okay, YouTube, so I got Zelda popped up on a little stand right here for now. This is the piece I'm most excited about is the werewolf. Man, they make some damn fine werewolves there. I've not really seen a finer werewolf than Midnight Studios Effects. This was the guy I was most excited to get last time. And remember, he was full of pinholes on the top of his head. So he was kind of a bad pull. But man, they make a big, badass, beautiful werewolf, man. And I can see no holes. He looks good. And look at this mug right here. Oh man, check him out. Just blow off his excess fur, no big deal, but man, I don't think anybody makes a nicer werewolf than this guy. Check him out, man. His teeth are beautiful, they're all intact. Nice and slimy in the mouth. I mean, that's a damn fine werewolf. I'm thrilled. This is the piece I was most excited to get. His eyes are bloodied up a little bit. Like, look how cool he is. Just buried in freaking beautiful gray hair. That is awesome, man. I mean, look how huge this head is, man. I mean, that's massive. I was so disappointed last time that I had to give the werewolf back. I even made a custom base for him. It looks like an old piece of door and some steel and rusted stuff. So I want to make a custom display for this guy, make him a proper home, put him on a little head form or something like that. Make it look like, you know, somebody like clawed to the door of an old inn or something like that, you know. I'm a big fan of American Werewolf in London. And this thing is just freaking smoking cool, man. Man, I couldn't be happier, guys. Everything looks great, man. The witch looks great. The werewolf looks great. Viperfish is uncut. The piranha, you know, he's got all his scales in place. No holes. So, man, I couldn't be thrilled. I mean, Kyle, you guys totally crushed this order. I want to thank you personally for taking a knee for Transworld. That's huge for a guy to not go to the Super Bowl of Halloween, because you're literally turning down thousands and thousands of dollars in order to concentrate on your company and you know, do more, put out new stuff and make new molds and all that. So, man, brother, I appreciate it. It was worth the wait. I don't know if there was anything else in the box that was missing. I got my 4 heads, or my 4 guys. I'm a happy guy. If there was anything else in the box, FedEx kicked it out of there. But man, I appreciate it, you guys. I'll put this stuff up and bring you guys in for a closer look at it. Here's our viperfish. Okay, YouTube, so that's my Midnight Studios Effects conclusion. Order good. We are happy campers. Man, we got awesome, cool stuff to freak the kids out with next year. Beautiful quality product. Go get you some Midnight Studios Effects. I'll link them below, too. Guys, man, it was a home run. Kyle, thank you, man. Thank you for taking the need to skip Transworld and concentrate on your company. That's awesome, dude. I appreciate everything. Everything's beautiful. I'm happy. I'm going to shoot you a text later saying, hey, man, everything's gorgeous when I get a chance. You guys get a chance, go check out my brothers in a Trio of Terror, Vic over at Monster Misfits, and Dave at the Weird Kid Show, guys. We're constantly putting something out or got something up our sleeves. You know, we're prepping for MHC right now, so we hope to see you guys there. And until I see you guys again, man, keep it evil. Always. With some Midnight Studios Effects. Yeah. Damn, you're one sexy-ass werewolf.